Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can script so good your viewers get addicted to your videos. So creating an addictive script for your YouTube videos requires a mix of storytellings, pacing, engagement, and also emotions. And through this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step breakdown on how you can script like a pro and keep your viewers hooked till the end. So first, hook viewers in the first 5 seconds. You can start with a powerful hook. You can start a shocking fact like, did you know you can hack Instagram algorithm with just one setting? Let's say you can use that. And you can also use a bold statement such as 99% of people use Windows 11 wrong. Are you one of them? Or you can also start with the questions. What if you could edit videos like a pro in 3 minutes? So you can just cut out unnecessary intros and jump straight into value or curiosity. Second one, you can keep a fast and engaging flow. So you can just follow this structure: problem, solution, and action. So first you need to identify the problem, such as struggling with the Broly videos in CapCut. You can just go with that. That's the problem. And the solution, you can just provide it. This is the secret settings no one's talk about. And after that, you can come out with the call to actions. Try it and comment below if it worked. And you can also use a pattern interrupts every 10 until 50 seconds. You can switch to a different camera angle or b-roll, or use text pop-ups or animated effects. And you can also do zoom in or out for emphasis. Third one, you can write for speech, not for reading. So make your script sound natural and conversational. Instead of doing in this tutorial, we'll be discussing, you can just do it like this. Okay, here is the deal. You are editing videos, but something looks up, blah, 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 blah. So you can just use short sentences and read your script out loud to check for awkward phrasing. Next one, you can add suspense and curiosity loops. You can use open loops. So this upcoming content, such as in just a second, I'll show you a trick even pros don't know. And you need to also delay answers. But before we get to that, here's why this mistake is ruining your videos. You can do that trick. And the last one, you can make the ending worth it. So instead of just saying thanks for watching, you can give a strong CTA. You can ask for engagement, such as drop a fire emoji if you're gonna try this. And you can also tease for the next video. Next, I'm exposing 3 secret Instagram tricks. Don't miss it. You can use that. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.